the city, nice and early in the morning. Ryan's so excited because I talked his ear off all morning. You ready for the day?
Ready.
We're in the city. It is freezing outside.
It's very cold.
We're supposed to walk all the way to Old Town. It's about an hour walk, but I think I'm too cold. So we're gonna go figure out how to take the L's here, and stay tuned for when my hands are freezing and I can show you guys. So we decided against taking the L because Ryan keeps calling me a baby. So I'm trying to be strong. I'm not doing a great job, but we're gonna try to walk an hour in the cold. You have anything to say for yourself, Ryan?
Not for me, for you. It's like 38, and she's talking about frostbite.
I can't feel
Not
my
even
toes.
close. Need to take you to a cold climate and get you more acclimated.
No, absolutely not.
Head back down south.
Back to Sri Lanka or Thailand. It was warm there.
It was.
All right, so we'll see if we make it all the way there in this hour walk. Update, it's very cold.
We had to walk almost 2 miles from the train station. So it's very chilly out today. But we're doing better.
Speak for yourself. All right, so we just finished the Van Gogh exhibit. What did you think?
Thought it was great. I don't know a ton about Van Gogh, to be honest with you.
Well, now we do.
Other than what I learned in school. But the exhibit was amazing. It says it's immersive, and as you can see, it's definitely super immersive. I learned a lot. Very interesting guy. I would definitely recommend coming.
Yeah, I think it was really cool. You have to see it in person. Videos don't even do it justice. You have to come see it. It's really neat.
Yeah, and it's not like something that's going to be all day. So if you want to come check out the exhibit, we were here for an hour.
Yeah, about an hour, maybe a little bit longer, taking some extra videos for you guys. But the actual show is probably only about 30 minutes, but you can stay for another one. It's good to see it twice. It's really cool.
Yeah, we stayed twice, and it was nice to re-see it, because that first time you're just kind of looking around like, oh my gosh, what's going on? and then you can like really enjoy it when it comes around the second time.
Yeah.
Just walk around and see how everything changes.
Yeah, so highly recommend. Maybe go somewhere a little warmer, you don't have to freeze. No, love Chicago, but oh man, it's cold today.
Back out into it. We got another walk.
Back to the train station. Check it out while it's still here.
Yeah.
All right.
See ya.
See you guys next week.